Hello everyone, and welcome back to MIT Creation, your go-to channel for tech fixes, printer support, and practical tutorials. In today's video, we're going to look at a very common problem faced by users of the Epson L18050 photo printer. The annoying error messages. Output tray is closed, and Nozzle Check is recommended. We'll walk you through why this happens and how to fix it easily in just a few steps. Whether you're a home user, a studio operator, or a technician, this guide is designed for you. Let's dive right in. Let's begin by understanding the two error messages. 1. Output tray is closed. This means the printer thinks the paper output tray, where the printed paper comes out, is not properly open. Even if you physically open it, the sensor inside might not detect it, which causes this message. 2. Nozzle check is recommended. This message appears when the printer detects poor print quality or ink not flowing properly. It asks you to perform a nozzle check to ensure all print head nozzles are firing correctly. These two errors often come together, especially if the printer has been idle or powered on incorrectly. Now, let's talk about what causes these issues. For the tray error, the tray might not be fully opened. There could be a paper jam in the output section. The tray sensor may be dirty or slightly misaligned. In rare cases, firmware may glitch after updates or power cuts. For the nozzle check error, go to menu Maintenance Nozzle Check. Follow the on-screen prompts. If no lines are missing, press Done. Print a photo or test page. Check that paper flows properly and tray holds it without issue. If everything works, the error is gone. So that's it. We've fixed both the output tray, closed error, nozzle check recommended message. These issues are common, but with regular cleaning and proper usage, you can avoid them. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, comment below if you had a similar problem. Subscribe to MIT Creation for more printer solutions, disassembly guides, and fix-it videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.